Hello, fellow people of the internet, and you listen close enough. I don't think you really can. I am inside. It has gotten dark. It is gotten extremely dark. It feels like fucking nighttime here. It looks like it feels like fucking nighttime when it's not. It's so fucking daylight outside. It is raining very heavily. Felt like we were gonna fucking drown. Luckily we're not. Our street is built on top of a hill. One of the many hills. To prove it, that's how dark it is. You can hardly see me. You can only see a silhouette. Turn on my lamp. That is basically how dark it is. It is really shit outside. I don't want to go out there. That is like, wow. The fun, still very loud, angry thunder. That is. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, I did get a haircut. If you like it, I think everybody likes it. I'm almost bald. I'm not really bald, but I'm almost slightly, and I've got a bushy beard. Since probably the last time I saw you on camera, comparing my videos maybe a month, maybe a week, no, a week ago. My beard has grown a bit bushier since then, as you can tell. Yeah, a week. These videos were short, and they're suddenly like rambling into like 2 minute, 3 minute vlogs. Anyway, I'm off. Goodbye.